Squirrel. Hello, this is our next video and today we are visiting
the London Eye!
It's a big Ferris wheel.
Yeah, big Ferris wheel.
Here we have a giant Ferris wheel run by Merlin Entertainments. It's been here since the millennium when it was put up to, well, celebrate the millennium, and every year in London, hi Baz, every year in London it's the focus of the London New Year fireworks which go firing off from all the different pods, and we're going to jump in a pod today with our Merlin passes and we are going to take a ride.
Hello.
We are on the London Eye.
We are on the London Eye.
We had a great time. We were second in the queue. Some little kids got to turn the ride on, didn't they? It was so cute.
Yeah. It's really good.
So there's the pods boarding behind us,
Yeah.
down the bottom, and we are going to be heading all the way up there. And we'll come back to you when we got a bit of a view. So we're starting to get towards the top and we got a view of the Shard, coming around through the walkie-talkie, other modern buildings, and in the middle right now we've got St Paul's. St Paul's Cathedral. It made it since Christopher Wren built it in the 1600s, I believe. It's going to be 1700s, isn't it? And then you can see across North London here. Down here we've got Hungerford Bridge, which brings the trains in from Kent.
Yeah, hi. I'm not stupid. I was looking at the railway bridge with my eyes, but I did fail to see that I was looking at Waterloo Road Bridge with the camera.
Into Charing Cross Station, just over here. And the Telecom Tower there. What do you think of the view, Baz?
It's very good.
What things have you seen?
I've seen stuff.
We are definitely getting to the top and up there, and the people who opened the ride for us, they got an exclusive first go, so get in the queue quickly if you come here first thing in the morning. And down there, Houses of Parliament. With the Queen Elizabeth Tower on the corner with the clock in and Big Ben Bell. And if you can make it out on the horizon there, that's the Crystal Palace TV transmitter, and we used to live right near Crystal Palace just before we moved to Scotland. Oh, we're just past the top.
This is a London Eye joke. Don't leave us hanging. Oh no, that didn't work.
We're arriving at the Sea Life Centre from above. Are you ready to make a speedy exit, Baz?
Yes.
Right, we just found out something amazing when we were boarding the London Eye, right, Baz?
Yeah.
And it's about fast track.
So, let me explain. Fast track, if you've got
Gold Merlin pass.
a gold Merlin pass,
And
like
presumably
us,
platinum, maybe silver. We'll do some research. We might
yeah.
stick that in later. What happens,
Yeah.
Baz, on the London Eye?
Research done. It's the silver pass, gold pass, and platinum pass.
you get fast track for free.
Automatic fast track included.
It's cool.
Hello.
Hello.
We have just finished our ride on London Eye, haven't we, Baz?
Yes, we have.
And yeah, give it a quick review, buddy.
So, the review is, it is so high that you could see the Houses of Parliament.
You can see the roof.
Yeah, where the government works.
They don't work on the roof, they work inside.
Yeah, they work inside. And I could see the Shard.
I could see my old areas that I used to live in London. I could see Crystal Palace, where we live, where you were born. And we could see Battersea, where I'm from.
Yeah. Wait, what's wrong?
I'm from Battersea. I'm from London. Oi, oi, Savaloy. What? Anyway, yeah, so London Eye. It's the usual, like, top quality service when you go on there. They were really, really nice. The kids in front of us in the fast track view, little kids got to open the ride. Did you want to open the ride?
Yeah.
Oh, unlucky, buddy. But yeah, all in all.
And also, those people got a pod to themselves.
Yeah, turn up early, folks. If you've got a gold pass, platinum pass, maybe the silver, we'll look it up. Yeah. And you've got that free fast track, get there early, stand in the queue.
Or Discovery.
Awkwardly. Yeah, I don't know about Discovery. Don't know if you get a free entry on that. But yeah, you get free entry, but I don't know about their fast track. But yeah, turn up early, get in that queue early. You might get a pod to yourself and to open the ride. Pretty classy. Right, that's it from the London Eye. See you in our next video. What's our next video about?
Sea life.
We don't love you.
Yeah.
Bye. Oh, wait a second. One thing.
Yeah?
If you like the London Eye, and you like us, and you want to see more vids like this, what do they need to do, Baz?
Like and subscribe.
They got to smash that like button or just be gentle with it?
Just kill it.
Kill that like button. Smash that subscribe button.